I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make onion stock full guide. Begin by chopping 5 pounds of onions and gather carrots, celery, bay leaves, and peppercorns. Roughly chop aromatics and remove outer skins. Use a heavy pot, add onions and aromatics, cover with 8 cups cold water, bring to a gentle simmer, skim foam for cleaner stock, and cook uncovered for 45 to 60 minutes until flavors are rounded and aromatic. Let's talk about building flavor so your onion stock sings without being overpowering. Start by toasting the onion halves briefly to coax out natural sweetness and deepen color. Add carrots and celery for body, bay leaves and peppercorns for subtle spice, and a teaspoon of salt to pull juices out. A splash of vinegar near the start helps release aromatics and lifts the finished stock for better balance. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. On another note, quick recommendation. Automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Trees Black Ice. It's a small upgrade that keeps drives pleasant after a long kitchen session. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. After simmering, strain the stock while hot to capture the pure liquid and discard solids, then cool it quickly in an ice bath to preserve freshness. Portion into labeled airtight containers, noting the date, and refrigerate for up to 4 days or freeze for up to 3 months in usable amounts. Reheat gently when ready to use and adjust seasoning then, since salt concentrates during storage and freezing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.